Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. Spring is on the way now and plants are definitely waking up. Have a look down in here. See all that fresh growth that's come up in the last few days. This is a lovely geranium called Pink Penny. And geranium Pink Penny, flowers like that. This is the photograph from last summer. In full flower here, spilling up over the stonework. Flowers from roughly end of May right through until October. Well worth planting geranium Pink Penny. I put a video up afterwards of a video from last summer of geranium Pink Penny in full flower. So there we go. He's cleaned away around him. There's a daylily here beside him, and we have some hellebores here. Lovely double hellebore here. Just trimming away all the old leaves so we can see the flowers an awful lot better. That lovely double. We've many hellebores in the web shop. Have a look. Many new varieties as well. Well worth having a look, and we put more of them into the web shop, please God, from next week. So just trim off all the whole growth there so we can see the flowers on this lovely hellebore. So there's another one here as well, ready to flower too. I'm just trimming away last year's bigger leaves so we can see the flowers an awful lot better. Now we're going to treat all these fellows now and start to feed them. Very important to start putting on natural fertilizer now. That will encourage these plants to flower and do well this coming year. Now the fertilizer we're using is this fertilizer here. It's called FLOWER MAX. FLOWER MAX is a slow release natural fertilizer to encourage your plants to have good foliage, good root system, and lots of flowers. It encourages the plant to produce lots of flowers and encourages your plants to produce lots of quality flowers with flower intensity. So our hellebores are going to get a little feed there, and of course this lovely geranium Pink Penny and a daylily here having a feed as well. Not sure what variety, that's a different label altogether. The blue into place, that is a nice daylily. They're fantastic as well, flower for months. So that, just have a look as well. Watch out for the next video up to show you the geranium Pink Penny in full flight next summer. So it's well worth minding it. It's just starting to wake up now. Plenty of fresh growth starting to happen for spring. Bye for now. Enjoy your garden.